Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So let's start and try it out. First of all, I'll fix my thumbnail. So here we have to. Uh, I want to. Sorry, I think there is some problem. Some problem. Okay, I think it's not working. So let's see. Uh, yeah, yeah, it's good. So good. It's good. Then it will be it will be sorry it will be 90 degree, so no 90 degree, not 90 degree, 80 degree. Yeah, I think it's good, it's also good. So I want to change this color, this color, sorry, change, change this color as I'll give it mm, it's okay, it's fine. So I will copy its code and then I will make her also green. So paste this code and yeah. Now I will change this color, which will be which will be what is perfect for green. Perfect for green. I'll take yellow. I'll take yellow here and this color should be the yellow. Yeah, got it. This color also be the yellow. How 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 look like? How it look like? I think it look okay, but not much okay. So yeah, I think now okay. It's now okay. I think it's looking good. So make it safe and sorry. I think here is some mistake. Uh, it will be the poster banner design. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, it's good. Now it's good. So sorry. Okay, that's good. So down, save it down, and export it as So now I want to go to the new piece for the banner. For the banner, you have to take this template, uh, which will be the 1280 into 420 pixels. So take it. Yeah, I got my banner. So first of all, I will make. Sorry. Okay. Suppose this is suppose this is a this is a logo of the company. So now I will work on it. So I will work on it, and now I will decrease its stroke and give it color. Give it a color. Which color will be the best for it? Make it green and green blue. Okay, green blue, green black is okay. So I want to select it and now I will decrease its opacity. And now I want to make here something which will be the sorry. Then you have to work over here. You can work over here. So first of all, okay. First of all, I will fix it as a lock there. And now, what is our topic? So, Then you can write here something. How it look like? I think it look good. And this is the end of today's class. I will show you more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.